I come from West Yorkshire in England, the north of England. All the friends think it's a lovely place, say it is beautiful, lovely people, and I've got to agree, we've had a lovely, wonderful holiday. Everybody is very, very nice and very friendly. What do I expect from this? Wine tasting, obviously, to meet some local people, to enjoy the culture, the different culture, the different wines, the different food, the different way of life. I find the people very humble. I've got to say I am English, but the people here are much more humble than the English people. Well, we've only just begun this, so we've tasted the white wine and the red wine, and they are both very, very nice and easy to drink. And the sugared almonds are wonderful. Sugared almonds are my favourite sweet, but these are much nicer than the English ones because they're more homemade. And we've tasted the orange peel, that's very nice as well. Everything's very nice.